GrooveBlog tutorial, how to add, edit, delete GrooveBlog categories. Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how you can easily add, edit, or delete your categories inside your GrooveBlog. So first, go to your quick links and go to GrooveBlog, or you can also go here under your apps and you can look for your GrooveBlog over here. Just click on it. Alright, and it will redirect us to our blog dashboard. So this is our blog dashboard here. So we can open our blog, or you can also create a new blog over here. So let me just go ahead and open my existing blog. And now we are prompted here inside our publish dashboard. And here on your left side corner, you have different tabs here. You have your home, which is the previous page. And you also have your publish tab here, and this is your publish dashboard. And you have your post here. So I will just go ahead and click the post. So as you can see, you can also filter the post here based on categories, and these are the posts that I have in my account. So these are also the categories that I have here. So I have latest, tips and tricks, must read, and productivity. So what if I don't like these categories and I want to edit or delete some of these categories? Or what if I want to add more categories? So to do that, you just need to go here on your left side corner, and you also have your categories tab here. So just click on it. And over here under your categories, you can see all your category names. So you have here the latest, tips and tricks, must read, productivity, and also you have slug here. So if you're questioning if what's slug is the text that will show up after your domain. For example, mytravelblogtest.com/latest or /tips and tricks or /must read, and then / the title of my post. That is the slug. And here on your right side, you have your action, and also you have your drop down here, and you can see you have your option to edit or delete this category name. So for example, I will go ahead and edit this one over here. So I will just click on edit, and as you can see here, we can edit our category. We can change the name. So for example, I will change the name to test, and then also the slug, of course. And I can add description here if I like to. And after that, just click update. And as you can see here, our category name has been changed. And if you want to delete this category, then just go back to your actions and then click delete. Are you sure? Yes, delete it. So as you can see here, that category name has been successfully deleted from our categories list. So to add more, you have your option here to add new categories. So just click on it and then just provide the name of the new category. So let's name it again, test, and then the slug, test, and then write a description. So you need to write a description here, because you're not able to complete this process if you will leave description blank. So after that, just click done. And as you can see here, our new category name test has been successfully added. So that's how easy and fast you can edit, add, and delete categories inside your GrooveBlog. So I guess that's all for today's video. And by the way guys, if you are interested to start writing blog with GrooveBlog, you can sign up for free. Just click on the link in the description below. And I hope that you learned something today from this video, and thank you so much for watching.